Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2012 Suzuki SX4 and I will show you how to remove and replace the engine air filter. This video will apply to Suzuki SX4s made from 2006 all the way up to 2013. Okay, now the engine air filter is located under the front hood. It's very easily accessible. It's between the engine and the battery right here under this cover. And it's a good idea to replace the engine air filter with every oil change. Engine air filter is quite cheap to buy, and it's very easy to replace it. So why not do it with the oil change, right? Now, to access the air filter, you just have to pop off these two metal clips just like this, and then you can just leave this cover, right? And this will get you the access to the filter. Now, honestly, you don't have to remove this whole cover to pull out that air filter and install a new one. If you want, you can do it, but in that case you'll have to disconnect this sensor right here, and you'll have to unscrew this flat bolt right here, and then you can completely remove the cover, and then you can properly clean the area. So you should probably do that every couple of changes, but just to quickly change it, like I will show you right now, you have enough space here just to pull it out and then install the new one in. Okay, it's a bit hard to do it using one hand, but that's it, right? Now, even through here you can quite nicely clean this air box. When installing the new one in, just slide it in and pop these tabs back on. Okay, and that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching my video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.